The water's
They never
coming from
bend over.
somewhere, but we don't know where.
So now it comes time for me to go under a dryer, you know, and all my places you go under the dryer for,
Yeah, it's like a space helmet.
for my blonde to take. And he goes, so there's this big sofa that wraps around the whole room. And he goes, sit here. Now move to the left a little bit. No, to the right. Now back up. And all of a sudden, these things that are round.
Is it like a car wash?
This thing comes out,
It's like a
these
car wash.
round, whatever
Car
they are.
wash.
They're just circular. They're great big circular with a light in the middle. And he goes, he puts it over my head like a halo.
Yeah.
Never touches me. I don't hear any sound, so I have my phone, I can text, and this thing is just hovering. And within 20 minutes, my colors, it's up.
How many?
20 minutes.
Really?
Maybe even less.
Bertie's been going now for about 2 weeks.
Perfect.
So,
This is like some sort of special light.
I said, you know,
Was it blowing or was it light?
you could hear a little hum.
A little hot.
But you would have loved it because this thing,
They didn't have to touch. I could work there because I don't have to touch people.
guess how long my shampooing took?
Oh, they were good about
15
Oh, they were
minutes.
like, oh,
All the
Oh.
pressure points,
Oh.
the ears, the back of the neck.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
yeah.
I said to him, you know, that's worth 200. I'll pay you 200 just.
You almost don't want to go there because now when you go to the other place again,
Oh, it's going to be so Monday.
super good.
So, you know, I walk out of there, and he said, oh, people come in just for our shampoo, you know.
I bet.
Wow. I want to go there.
Where is this?
It's in Mission Valley in Hazard Center. It's called Pure Salon.
Pure salon. Not pure salon, it's
Pure Salon.
You gotta be quiet. It's a secret.
But were they able to do your color?
Yeah,
sometimes they do that with 4K and stuff, and it doesn't really take.
It'll be interesting. I just
see how
haven't
long
done
it lasts.
Yes. So where Bonnie, where we go 3 months. And we never have to do any touch-up or anything. So it'll be interesting.
But I don't.
How did you find out about that place?
It was in my basket.
Oh, your basket.
In my basket.
oh, you guys.